Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use Webull, a popular online brokerage platform. Webull offers commission-free trading, real-time market data, and a range of analytical tools to help you make informed investment decisions. To get started, first download and install the Webull app or access the platform through their website. Once you have created an account, you will need to fund it by linking your bank account or transferring funds from another brokerage account. The Webull dashboard is user-friendly and easy to navigate. The home screen displays your account balance, portfolio value, and a list of your holdings. You can customize the layout to suit your preferences and add widgets for news, market data, and other relevant information. To place a trade, click on the Trade button and select the type of trade you want to make, such as a market order or limit order. Enter the stock symbol or name, and the number of shares you want to buy or sell. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Webull also offers a range of analytical tools, including technical indicators, charts, and financial statements. These tools can help you analyze stocks, identify trends, and make informed investment decisions. You can also set up price alerts and notifications to stay up to date with market movements. In addition to trading and analysis, Webull also offers a range of educational resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and articles. These resources can help you learn about investing, trading, and personal finance, and improve your skills and knowledge over time. To make the most of Webull, it is essential to have a solid understanding of investing and trading concepts. This includes understanding risk management, diversification, and portfolio management. It is also important to stay up to date with market news and trends, and to continually educate yourself on new developments and strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Webull to achieve your investment goals and improve your financial well-being. Remember to always do your own research, set clear goals, and manage your risk, and you will be well on your way to successful investing and trading.